If you cannot download an app onto your Windows 10 or 11 computer, then you probably have S Mode enabled. And you may receive the message, the app you are trying to install isn't a Microsoft verified app. And it instructs you to change app recommendation settings. Once you go to recommendation settings, on some Windows 11 computers, it doesn't allow you to disable S Mode. So, you can view the switching out of S Mode in Windows Help article in order to disable S Mode. The article has information on both Windows 10 and Windows 11 computers. Simply click the blue Switch out of S Mode button to disable S Mode. It will take you to the Windows Store Switch out of S Mode screen. Afterwards you will be able to install any applications. If you still cannot download an app after disabling S Mode, you may need to restart. Or verify if your antivirus software is blocking the installation.